friends, it's day 3 of our Advent calendar countdown. I can't wait to see what surprise we have today. Let's open door 3. Look, it's a baking activity. We're going to make festive cookies today.
Wow!
To make our cookies, we need some flour, about 2 to 3 cups, granulated sugar, 1 cup, butter, 1 cup, 1 large egg, vanilla extract 1 to 2 teaspoons, baking powder or baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, cookie cutters, chocolate chips and sprinkles. Let's roll out the dough together. Step 1. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius to preheat while you prepare the dough. Step 2. Let's mix dry ingredients. Combine flour, baking powder or baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl and whisk together. Set this mixture aside. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, add butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Use an electric mixer on medium speed to beat them together until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add 1 large egg and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the butter-sugar mixture. Mix well until fully incorporated. Step 4. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients. Mix on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 6. If desired, fold in chocolate chips, nuts, or dried fruits at this stage using a spatula or wooden spoon. Step 7. If you prefer thicker cookies, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Baking the cookies, line baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats to prevent sticking. Use a cookie scoop or tablespoon to drop rounded balls of dough onto the prepared baking sheets this way, or we can use cookie cutter. Now let's use our cookie cutters to make fun shapes. I'm making a Christmas tree. What shape will you make? After that, place the baking sheets in the preheated oven. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheets for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. Time to decorate. Let's add some icing and sprinkles to our cookies. They'll look so pretty. Now the best part, let's taste our delicious cookies. They're so good. Remember to share with your family. Thanks for baking with me today. We'll have another surprise waiting for us. Bye for now.